Hello, and welcome to the course. My name is Sarah, and I am so excited to have you with me to learn about how we can lead a minimalist life. It's through designing the environment that we live in, and as well as adopting the right minimalist mindset and habits, which we will touch on in the course. Before we begin, let us first understand what minimalism is about. Minimalism is a style of technique in design that is characterized by extreme spareness and simplicity. In the area of interior design, the minimalist interior design uses design principles. Minimalism in interior design is getting popular these days because everyone is getting busier and overwhelmed with constant pressure from demanding careers and personal lives. Home should be a place of peace or a retreat for our entire family at the end of a hectic workday. Minimalism allows us to practice mindfulness, which gives a clearer thought process. Having a minimalist home with less clutter helps us to focus on the more essential things in life. The minimalist house design is about being simple, efficient, and straightforward. By meeting both form and function, the result is having a clean, open, and light-filled space. There are numerous benefits of having a minimalist home. A home that is devoid of visual clutter is pleasing to the eyes. Removing the unnecessary and focusing on what is necessary. The fewer things you keep, the less storage space is needed, giving a tidier space. Having a minimalist home can foster better relationships. The minimalist lifestyle that you adopt will shift our attention from our needs to other people's needs, thus strengthening relationships between people around you. A minimalist home gives you mental clarity. With a clear space for the mind to relax and wander, the possibilities and creative freedom are endless. Lastly, by practicing minimalism, it gives you the time to do things you enjoy, especially the things you never have time for. It is about having more me time and reconnecting with your soul. The rewards for having minimalist homes are more than you can imagine. If having a clutter-free and easy-to-maintain home sounds like something that you will look forward to having in your home, then you are really going to enjoy this course. Let us now deep dive further into the specific topics that we will be covering with you throughout the course. This course consists of a total of 31 lessons with 3 modules. Each of the module will play a critical part in empowering us to lead a minimalist lifestyle. You will learn how to adopt a minimalist mindset. We will touch on the habits of minimalism. We will understand how to craft a minimalist environment. For Module 1, we will touch on how to get started on a minimalist lifestyle by adopting a minimalist mindset. We will understand the how and why of minimalism in design. For Module 2, we will explore ways to inculcate minimalist habits into our lives. As the saying goes, a change in habits will lead to a change in our lives. Having the right habits are the key to practicing minimalism successfully. We will touch on areas such as decluttering method, zero-waste living, and slow living. By focusing on improvising our current moment, it helps us to get connected with the bigger picture of our life. Once you take control of your habits, you take control of your life. Lastly, in Module 3, which is the main focus of this course, we will learn how to create a conducive setup that allows us to have a minimalist home intentionally. This is done by deep diving into minimalist design principles used to create the minimalist home. Some of the areas that we will be covering on will be in the area of space planning, understanding colors, creating negative spaces, the importance of creating harmony and balance in a space. By the end of this course, you will have a complete plan on how you can craft the minimalist home of your dreams. Minimalism is a journey that we truly encourage you to venture into. It is not just about redesigning the interior space, but a life-changing lifestyle that you should adopt. Before we get started, for those of you who do not know us, the Minimalist Society is an interior design firm in Singapore that focuses on developing experiences that make people's life simple through interior design. We specialize in crafting minimalist homes so that our homeowners may all live better and lead a purposeful life. We are thankful for the support our previous homeowners have given us, and we look forward to creating more minimalist homes for a better world. With that being said, thank you once again for joining us in this journey, and let's get started.